Namaskar. Now we shall tell you few things about a very tricky concept of Python, which is called mutable and immutable types, right? So if you don't know the meaning of mutable and immutable, basically something which can be changed, something which cannot be changed after they are created. Okay. So the first famous type which is changeable is list, right? So list is the most popular type which we can change easily. So this list has this 0th item and 1 item because it's a list of 2 members. So we can easily change 0th item by directly assigning it a value. Okay, so value 100 will go at place where value 10 is there. So the new list value will become 120, right? Now we can simply write that list, set, dictionary, byte, array are mutable. Okay. Separate examples you can verify yourself when you have studied all these topics. Now we'll consider another very popular immutable item which is not there in many other languages, which is called a tuple or tuple, which is indicated by this round parenthesis, right? So if I give a value change for this same way as a list, so then it will give error. I have commented this so that my program portion runs, right? It has run. But suppose I uncomment this portion, right? And I run this. So immediately you will see that this line is in error. Type doesn't support item assignment. So this type error has come for this type error. Okay. So that's why I have commented this, because this is immutable. List is mutable and tuple is not mutable. Okay. Now we consider some other portions of code where we see that in fact even integer, float, complex, these things are also immutable. They are not changeable. How come? Like in this code we have assigned value 10 and now we have changed this assignment to 20, but still we are calling it immutable. How? We'll just see. Right? If I see the value of where it is stored in memory, this x, and where this x again with the different values stored in memory is a different place. You can see 640 and 960 here. These are basically memory places. So if I give this value, then this value will remain as it is and this new value will be assigned on a new place, although I have given the same label to it, right? When we change x from 10 to 20, Python does not change the value inside the integer object 10. So this is an integer object 10. So it doesn't change that value. Some other languages do change. Instead, x starts referring to another integer object containing 20. That's why integers are immutable. Similarly, we'll see that we have listed all immutable items here: integer, float, complex, bool, strings. Even strings you cannot change individual items inside string. The way you can do it in list, you cannot do in strings. Tuple, we have already shown you the example. Frozen set, you will study further. Bytes, none type, they are all immutable. So let us ask AI what all are immutable and mutable. List mutable and immutable data types in Python. Here is a summary. So when I ask this will actually give me result within this. Because it's a long context, so it is giving here. Mutable data types: list, set, dictionary, byte, array, immutable, integer, float, complex, bool. Str means string, tuple, frozen set, bytes and none type, right? So you can repeat this video for you to understand the concept of mutable and immutable. And if you still have any questions, please do ask me. Please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.